Well, I just fired up the old 55 Studebaker. It's been kind of really cold weather lately, and now I can finally open the door, and the snow is leaving the yard a little bit. But I didn't want to open the door when it was -20. So just letting the old Studebaker run for a little bit. I've still got a few things to do to get it ready for driving in the springtime. Got some work to do on the dash, and we've got to reassemble the interior, but all the bits and pieces are available. I've got proper carpet for this. I've just got some old house carpet on the floor so I can lie underneath the dash and work on the electrical circuits, waiting for a new fuel gauge to come in from Studebaker International. Then I got to hook up the water temperature gauge, test that out, get the steering wheel back on, get the horn on, get the signal lights working. I'm going to be changing the fuel or the oil pump on this car because I'm not satisfied with the oil pressure at low RPM. Apparently I can get a spur cut gear set for this that's a little bit more efficient at low RPM, so I'm going to give that a try. When I rebuilt the engine, I did reuse the original oil pump that had 100,000 miles on it, and that was probably a mistake because these engines apparently are known for having very low oil pressure at an idle. So I want to improve that if we can. So I'm not going to be able to work on this for about a week. I got to take about 8 days off or so having a little medical procedure done. I'm not supposed to do any work after that for a little while, about a week, and then I'll get back at it. And I'll try to do a few more videos to show the progress. So there we have it. My 1955 Studebaker Speedster project. Year 5 coming at me.